Security arrangement media general record. Media general or record. Okay, come here start here. About every dichem so you be divert so we be far kwan na e de call Central Mosque no and also be far Asawasi police station that they call far asali original pay or they call Wayek o far Ashtown wa odu Sumankwan Hemi junction na kwan na free odi ba Minsha Palace you be block sa kwan no Oba Nick Petroleum Filling Station Road na to Minsha Palace and then so you block sa kwan ka bia emba towards that direction. Oba Minsha Government Hospital Road through Alaba, Sakwano so ye blocko. Yokohines Palace Street leading to the palace. Sakwano so ye block sa junction no. Ka bia into member aye Minsha Palace. And na sha Hunyimas Palace Street or once ye na akwesi Ajima Junction to the Minsha Museum. These are the roadblocks ochina anapa by 4 a.m. Ye menu ebe wo hodomo a blockade. Sa ekwaninya te ka bia entumi enrem until say ebia wo ba no wo dwumedi bi ewo eye Minsha Palace ene ebe mo we room unni edwumedi bia ye ma wo mba. And as part of the security arrangements no ye create eye car parks for the dignitaries who will be attending the funeral or 1 week funeral celebration. Ye were approved parking for government officials and only Antwa station car park. And to say, who Antwa station car park sticker, police for no, Emma Quine, I'm away Roma Copaki or Winibia won't to be in court. And now, ba a info, any queen mothers na. Nanama and say, Melcom car park, Ebeye parking place, ama and info queen mothers. Ye wo a year DKC car park, and no more free a year DHMSO direction. Oh, sorry. Ashtown ne crew from direction no omono ho na mo be parke na nwumre ya say nyanite say Nick Petroleum omo create ho no so amanyemfo na there will be a shuttle. Yes, there will be a shuttle services amanyemfo na omo be parke wo air Melcom na another car park nso omo de amana nanom ne eye Minsha Government Hospital car park nti da na mo nhye ne so to wo ba na wo ye na nana say uni accreditation kra na se we won di kire mpanyimfo a mommo nkonya na wa park e wo hono say na medical kan there will be a shuttle services for the chiefs coming from air Melcom any DKC then the other places oba public parking na ye wo Central Mosque car park Asawasi Methodist park any Atempem Yenes park also shuttle be or buses be or e be fa mourners no Edwin Waba eye Minsha Palace for the yinti the best say nhihye dey go akwa momundi sumaye na ochina no we have over 460 police officers, their colleagues from the military, the NIB, national security all will be at hand to assist us in the provision of security. And the back so say the be security police for any NIB for national security for all the various car parks in our numbers. Nti mo bia ye menhyehyɛ ne sɛ all ban e bi opake ne car no car park obi kobu ne car ne ono kopae ne glass akofa ne bibia ne bisa. All this security arrangement has been put in place. Ena ba kwa omo se mensan kan woni sɛ ye be sere omo aye omo be park omo car e wo street no so a omo de kɔ edwuma no ochina no bebre na kɔ market ye be sere ochina no by 4 a.m. our men will be there. Mo bia nko park ne car nti nwumbre say wo pon edwoma na wo pon office na wo kofa wo car e wo street na ma park na ochina de mo bia mfa ne car ne mba those streets na ye blocking no because what the bar police for no e beto wo car no de akoke MA yard wo kwa wo kofa wo car you pay for that cost. And now another security arrangement om de ku kwa kwemu na measures om de ku kwemu ni say ochina no all the roadblocks no omo person be hu abobo ya ana pragia e beka say tricycle ana rickshaw ana motorbike into wa wo de abobo ya eba no wo dru blockage na wo be si na abobo ya na dane no munye parking arrangement bi ama abobo ya anaasɛ motorbike anaasɛ pragia car parks no for solely vehicles so ko park moto ana pragia ana abobo ya car park bi a police for no kwanya sɛ ombeto nipa so munti mumma tiefo ama munti ase mayen ɛna ade ba ko nso a yɛbɛsɛ akaka won ne sɛ sɛ police for ne soldier for ne ade ne bɛwɔ no obia ndi mmra so security arrangements no so that we have a very befitting 1 week celebration which is going to be a very dignified one nti befa kwanya we so na aka kire santrofo say announcement eno na edi baye monkoso anti mu a chena kra no monsanso nka wasam na nkonkofo asuma na ntonkofo asum so that all ba no onum say these are the security arrangement that has been put in place so that yenkonya any kind of problems with anybody say them say ena ba konso ne say yesremo ochina nso no nsantrofo omo designate bibi a mo bewo penfo say omo mpe mobile phones inner perimeter apart from those with all access in the way santroni na wonkra all access please accreditation all access you will not be permitted inside the perimeter into Msremo moma and also enko some draw for no so that wo ba no nim say woni all access and have no be catch police say Msremo na me so troni bikuta media whatever ukra media you be behind the barricades into no so no bibi a yepɛ sɛ mun hya ne so maye edamase live coverage
for mobile for about job. There are only 3 drones that are emitted. So if you want to fly a drone, let us know. And if you do not do that, it's remote. Because I am not even more extra much share so. So you will feel the best one say. So open flight drone na mayen because your identification is never bomb. Say you use identification now. Drone you na
drop.
We be shooting down. So what kind of and the wow super champion so the best I mesremo Ejumede can sometimes would be because everyone will find it serious number. A Jebala say African time. Tibia women also Grandma Mini Pacho and Brano and in Brano. The same men for her, men may come here enough for bloggers. You have a right to interview anybody you want. But do it within the rightful jurisdiction. So, what we why being so big, baby? Now, what for fat, drone be a flag for baby. Ever had you. Now, impressive, they say, I think be nicely prepared friends and program. That way, be a very negative to it. It's a mess. When you're there, somewhere, but we run so. Inner perimeter, we need all access. Don't come there. Because I guess Sana every problem. The passage now, my children now. But just smart myself. It's a mess. Mom crowd drones special. Open somewhere, my young woman in time. But there's a very one answer than I be here. A movie, nothing. That's what they say to us. Much as smart myself.
Now, Nina, not the idea I can say. Mamma, Papa, you were one another. And then you know, Asante Hemma and I free. He said the amount in a person every year, the person every year. Never be asking in a home, a man and yaman. He said the air can say, young person be busy. There can do a year away and I may be and I said that. Thinking the person someone said, we ain't na young wire. Tell them be a baby come on my. Never be a crowd, Tom was there. Asante, it will be Asante will be.
Thank you. Oh, yes.
Yeah, stop over here. Yeah, the roadblocks no pet. Roadblocks no pet.
And okay, within.
And yes, within there. It is a one over to me a bio shop. Now here was a block one as a department anti avatar there.
No problem.
And there no problem. You run cars, will be able to do be anywhere. Be a back question. Nemo, put them on a pet. And I bear roadblock, said a bear. Human traffic, about also against vehicular traffic. Then we move to idea or now shop or now car mamma to know even not have a car.
Okay. You want to do